Okay guys, this is system test 10, the long-awaited system test, and I'm on call with NACA Fire Security and Luke Wilson.
Hey guys!
Okay, it's taken me like nearly 2 years to get this system test out. It's been 2 years since I got this panel, in fact 3 years actually, and it's been 2 years since I said I'd get system test out, but I've been having trouble with this. But thanks to AS Systems, if you go and check out his channel, it's really cool. Thanks to him, I got this panel working again. And we're now linked up all the devices. I'll show you them. There's a XV95 Sonos sounder up there. There's a Chubb XV95 detector. It's an old style XV95 call point there. And, hold on a minute. And in all way there's a Chubb Discovery call point here. The LED's blinking away. It's like a notified call point disguised as a Chubb call point, pretty much. So I'm gonna set the system off, put the code in. And if you're wondering how I got this working, I access level code 3. So that's how you link the devices up. And it doesn't say unexpected devices anymore, it works now. Guys, which device should I test first? I think I'll go for the call point. Okay. So, see if it works. Okay, it does take a while to stop, but it takes like 5 seconds, or 5 to 7 seconds actually. See, the LED's gone out now. I think next I'll test the smoke detector. Right, so here's the smoke detector I'm going to test. Let me just get slow. Hold on a minute. That should work. There we go. Oh wait. Kind of sounds a bit weird when it silences, but it's not that bad. Okay, so this last device is the call point in the hallway. See if it works. I'm actually going to press it. So there we go. I think that's all the devices tested. So guys, that has been system test 10, the long-awaited system test. Now I'm sorry I didn't get this system working sooner. I'm sorry it took so long to get the system test out, but it's working now, and yeah, there should be system test 11 coming out soon. Just in case you guys haven't seen this panel yet, it's a Chubb Contraster 600, kind of based on a Kentex Synchro actually, and show you the inside. See, it's Apollo Protocol, and that switch somewhere around there, yeah, there it is. That switch there is how I got the devices working, because because it was turned off. Just had to turn it on basically. And I also got this bit here, which I installed that recently. It just turns the mains on. So yeah.